In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook. We'll walk through a clear, simple process so you can make your emails easier to read and more professional in just a few clicks. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website in the results. This takes you to Outlook on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you land in your inbox. Once you're in Outlook, click New Mail to open a fresh message. This brings up the Compose window where you can edit your text. Go ahead and type your email, or enter a few sample lines so you can see the spacing changes in real time. It's helpful to have at least a couple of sentences and a line break or two, so the difference between spacing options is clear. Next, select your text. The quickest way is to click inside the message body and press Ctrl+A on Windows or Command+A on a Mac to highlight everything. You can also click and drag across specific paragraphs if you only want to adjust part of the message. With your text highlighted, look along the formatting toolbar in the Compose window for the line and paragraph spacing icon. It typically looks like a few horizontal lines with small up and down arrows. Click that icon to open the spacing options menu. From here, choose the spacing that suits your message. 1.0 for tight, single-spaced text. 1.9 for a slightly more open look. That's great for everyday emails. 1.5 for noticeably more breathing room. Or 2.0 for double spacing when you want maximum readability. When you click an option, Outlook applies it immediately to the text you selected, so you can see the result before you send. A few tips to make this smoother. Spacing changes only apply to the text you've selected. If you want the entire message updated, be sure everything is highlighted first. If you don't see the spacing change, confirm that your message format is set to HTML, since plain text won't support rich formatting. Also, if you paste content from another source and it looks uneven, use the Clear Formatting button first, then apply your spacing choice. You can set spacing before you start typing as well. Whatever you type afterward will follow that setting. That's all it takes. Open Outlook, start a new message, type your text, highlight it, click the spacing icon, and pick the spacing level you prefer. With just a moment's effort, your emails will be cleaner, easier to read, and more polished.